So, guys, now I'm a class 10 topper, and now I'm going to tell you how I had studied for my class 10th board exams. So, first of all, I started early. Means not so early, like some of the students are saying they had started in class 9, but I'm not that so early. So I started in class 10th, means from April. So when like I have my holidays after my class 9th final exam, I had started preparing for my class 10th. And then I had studied first of all, I focused on completing my syllabus, and my goal was to complete my syllabus till June. And I think that was almost completed till the June. I have my summer vacations in the June, so that's why it facilitated my move of completing the syllabus. And after that, I got advice. I got advice from my big sister, and she said that complete your syllabus early and then start revising. So I do the same. First of all, I complete my syllabus till June, and then from I think mid of the uh, July I started revising. And in July, August, and September I revise all the chapters again and again. So that's so it get fit in my memory. So after that, from September, I start solving the sample paper. I have bought some of the sample papers so that I can solve it. And if you able to get it, then you can ask your seniors to get the previous year question paper. And after that, you have to know that I didn't join any batch, not Udan, not Next Topper, because I think I can study myself, so I do that. And then after that, I like from till November, I did most of the sample paper. And after that, I start revising again, because I think if consistency matters. I didn't study 8 hours a day. Like I have my schools which ended like on 2 a.m. My home was little far from my school, so I reach home till 2:30. And then after that I eat. Then I eat. Then after that, I sleep for little, like nap. Not so little. It's like 2 hours. I got tired. So when I woke up, I study for like 1 hour. Then I go to temple. I have temple beside my home. And then after that, I come home. I also use mobile. And I didn't say that I forget to use my mobile, because I'm a social person. Means I use social media, but I don't have Instagram accounts or Facebook account. I only use YouTube. And then after that, I also have to use YouTube for my studies, so that's why. And then from the November, my boards exam was in February. And I had prepared so much, so I have confidence. I got so many things from my schools. They give us materials, so I prepare it from that. I My teachers are so good. They give me a right assistance. They guide me. My sister guide me. And that's why I'm able to score 98% in my class 10. And then after that, if I tell you about my strategies about the subjects. So first of all, in maths, I have, like as I tell you, I first complete the syllabus. So I complete the syllabus from NCERT. And I it didn't I complete the whole syllabus in like one line, like the whole syllabus in one go. But I study some chapter. And then I revise it by doing the exercise again and again, so that I can revise it properly. And I didn't say that I learned every question of the NCERT, because you have mainly to focus on the concept. So first of all, I focus on the concept of the maths, and you don't have to learn the NCERT, and I don't recommend you to learn the NCERT. Then so I'm telling my strategy about maths. So in maths, so first of all I complete my NCERT syllabus, and then I heard from everyone else that NCERT exemplar is good. So after that I solve NCERT exemplar, and then after that after solving NCERT exemplar, I go on RD Sharma, and yeah, I like almost completed all the chapters in RD Sharma, and I didn't say I use so many reference books because I don't want to waste my money. And then after that, like I solved the RD Sharma MCQ. RD Sharma MCQ book, and the book in which they have competency based question, and then after that I revise all the concept of the maths. So I like in maths, it take me like more time to complete the RD Sharma. So that's why in maths I didn't revise much, but if you can do RD Sharma, then like you get to know revise everything. So in maths that's my strategy, and I said that if you want to score good in maths, I score 100 out of 100 in maths. So for maths you have to be consistent. Without consistency, not in maths, in all the subject, without consistency you can't get a good marks. And I'm so consistent in maths, so that's why I get 100 out of 100. And the teachers I had followed are the Ritik sir, not on the batch but on the YouTube channels. And sometime I watch the marathon of Sobit Bhaiya, and I don't use any other resources rather than these two, and these two teachers, and RD Sharma and NCERT exemplar. And then after that, if I tell you about my science strategy. So for science, first of all, same, you have to complete the NCERT. And in science, mainly in science and theory, in the subjects in which you have to learn the theory, like science SST, and in not English, science SST, they like in that you have to be like in you have to revise NCERT 3 to 4 times, so that it's each and every line is on a tip of your tongue. So I used to revise these chapters, and in NCERT, first of all I do NCERT, and in science I didn't do any reference book. I'm telling all the truth. I didn't use reference book because for it I don't think it is required. And after using so I use the reference I didn't use the reference book, and I only solved the exemplar, and I revised the NCERT very much. And in science, you don't the mistakes that students do, they leave the activities. So these activities are very important. If you didn't do the activities, I think your so much marks get detected, because I think so much question about uh, 20 to 30% question comes from these activities. And you don't have to just read that activity, you have to find the question which NCERT, which CBSE may give from these activities. And website I suggest to you, means it's not I found that I also watch someone's video on YouTube who tells this exercise. The website name is Biology Bank. And then after that, in science I use NCERT exemplar and some of the websites like Biology Bank, and I didn't do much. Like I revise NCERT again and again. And then if I talk about SST, so in SST NCERT is enough. I didn't do even exemplar for SST, because in NCERT everything it is there. And if you need something, like if you watch the lectures, they tell you all the extra about the things. And one more thing, if you are in SST exam, they ask you about in the name of journal knowledge, they ask about the languages of the state. So be prepared with these language. Also like revise the capitals of the state, and so that's enough, I think. And uh, like in SST, I didn't even prepare the notes. I first of all watched the lecture, then I read the NCRT by myself, and then I learned that, like some kind of memorizing, you can say. I memorize the NCRT lines, and then after that I like writes. There are some, like there are some, like space left, like on the side of the text in the NCRT. So in that space I write my notes, like what I have learned from this paragraph. I write the notes, and I followed the strategy, and